Okay, market just closed, and we were up today in agricultural markets. A little bit of a struggle because all these markets started off higher, backed off some, and then later in the day closed higher. And we had some news for that. Now, the Federal Reserve came out at 1 o'clock 16 minutes ago and made some statements that were considered very friendly for the economy, very positive, very constructive, and they basically did not raise rates and made the statement that they were willing to use all tools necessary to support the economy, which were interpreted to mean interpreted to mean not raising rates on a schedule, backing off from that. Even some comments from analysts were that could even ease rates, could use balance sheet, could use selling of bonds, could do a lot of different things to help support the economy. Now, the market liked that a lot. Right now, I'm looking at the Dow Jones up 420. Well, what's the effect on agriculture? Everything seems to feed off of big moves in the stock market. So when that came out, the stock market, the cotton market and grain markets were feeling a little toppy. Those markets managed to hold and to rally back some from where they were. They closed up on the day. Not a dramatic thing, but we're closing cotton up 23, and that is at 74.38, high of 74.55, low of 73.76. Let's take a look real quick and see where this puts us as far as closes go. This is right now for March cotton. This will be the highest close we've seen in about a week and a half. The old close, the old highest close we've seen in probably a month and a half was before today at 74.37. Today, we're going to be at 74.38. So we took that out by one tick. Not a dramatic thing, but continued positive movement in the cotton market, and I think also in the grain market. So it's subtle, but I think it looks positive. Now, we've got exports coming out tomorrow. It's not going to be anything that's going to be dramatic, we don't think, because they're going back and slowly filling in the export sales that were missed over a month ago, and they're going to do that in stages. So don't look for that to be a big thing. But soybeans up 2 at 9.21 in March, high of 9.24, low of 9.17.5. March corn was strong, up 4 at 3.81 1/4. The high of the day is 3.81 1/2, made on the close. The low 3.77 1/2. March wheat up 3 1/2 at 5.16 3/4. The high 5.17 1/4 and the low 5.11 3/4. Crude oil has responded favorably, up 127 a barrel at 54.58. The dollar down 34. That's positive for commodities. Gold up $7 an ounce. Silver up $16 an ounce. They were sleepy markets until the Fed came out with their statement. And the Dow Jones, I think, was up those statements came out. I believe the Dow Jones was up about 70. Now it's up 422. So we'll see if we can follow this through tomorrow. But this is actually positive news, and hopefully it'll follow through. And we'll come in here tomorrow morning and do our broadcast, and we'll be looking at higher markets again. Have a good evening. We'll talk to you later.